Syma X5SW has 4 channels that offer a stable flight. The 6-axis gyro technology ensures that the drone is perfectly balanced during takeoff, landing, 3D flips, etc. On a single charge, the drone can fly for around 6 to 7 minutes. The transmitter or controller has a range of 50 meters, and the HD camera has the capacity to capture good quality images and videos. The headless drone eliminates confusion of front or back direction and thus facilitates easy maneuvering. The drone performs 360 degrees flips and has stable flight that enables proper capturing of videos and taking quality images. There are minor flaws associated with this drone. Since it is a plastic framework, little or no wind is an ideal condition for flying. For the price tag below $100, this drone is definitely a good buy for beginners. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video.